Ahoy Kinder, and welcome to Learning with Captain Sebastian. That's me. Today we'll be learning all about the word hi. Whoa! What's with the shark? All I said was hi. There's another one. Oh wait, I forgot. The German word for shark is hi. Okay, I get it. Every time I say hi, another shark appears. Can you say hi? That's great. Hi. Wo? Wo ist der Hai? Where is the shark? Do you like sharks? Magst du Haie? Isn't it funny that hi in German means shark, but in English it means hello? The word for funny in German is lustig. Lustig. Sag etwas Lustiges means say something funny. What do a shark and a computer have in common? They both have megabytes. Das ist lustig. Can you tell a joke? Ha, that's a great one. Das ist sehr lustig. That is very funny. Did you know that there are sharks in Germany too? There are at least 18 types of sharks in the Baltic Sea. The Baltic Sea is part of the Atlantic Ocean, and the German word for ocean is Ozean. And did you know that the largest type of shark is the whale shark? They are the largest fish in the world, and they can grow up to 12 meters or 40 feet in length. That's a pretty big shark to say hi to.